So, welcome friends and welcome again to Excel Hacks channel. So, in this video, we have to cover two most of the important topics. So here, sometimes when we write some words in a cell, so the size of the cell does not allow us to write further. So let's suppose I have to write United States. United States. So the size of the word just exceeds the size of the cell and column cell. Size of the column, you can also say that. So here, just enter. So this and when you write another word here, for example, Indonesia. States. State. So here, this is another example when the size of the word exceeds the size of the column or cell. So this column or cell does not allow us to write beyond the size of the cell. So here, and when we write multiple cells and columns especially in tables, so we mostly come across this problem, and we multiple times set this size of our column like this for each word. So I think we should get away from this method and add a new method to automate the size of the cell according to the size of our word. So here, just remove these words and go to sheet and right click, go to view code. So here we have two options here, general and worksheet. So click on worksheet. Here just write cells dot entire column. Here double click on this dot auto fit. Here auto fit, double click on this and go to here view Microsoft Excel. Just click on this. You click on this and here you have to write again and try this method. So I write again I write United States, and look what happens when I write this United. Yes. When I write S United States, the size of the cell will automatically increases. Indonesia state. Is the state. The size will automatically increase. So here. So this was our first lesson. So for another, we will try to understand how you can make trades in Excel. So I will just write data table. Here I write SKUs. SKU. Here month. Let's suppose January. Second SKU. cells of SQA. I just write array between total cells. Just add some, just click on this and drag all of your data. Just total, click on this and drag. For trend, just write this trend. For trend, click on this cell and go to insert and insert. Click on line, spark line, arrange. They require us to specify the range of our data. So here that for SQA, I just click on January data and drag till here. Click on this. This is for the trend for SQA. I just click on this and drag here to apply for all SQs data. Here this is trend, so I can increase it for the sake of clarity. So this is trend line trend. If you want to change this line trend from line to column, so just click on whole trends and click on column. This is another type of trend. Color, you can also change it. Here is a complete data table. I just write line trend. Back to my line trend. So here, when you come across such table, so just for the sake of convenience and for the sake of to save your time and energy, select your table and press Alt O A. Here just is the sample of table here, and this is all of data here. This is a complete format of the data. So you can realize that all of your data has been aligned to left. So click on this, so press Alt H A C. All of your data will be aligned center. So this is how you can make a data table for all your SQs or for all your cells, and most importantly for each of your data SKU, for each of your cell. So you can also create or design trend. So it is a basic video how you can create a data table and also design trend for your data. So for the next videos, if you like this tips and trick, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.